Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. So we are coming back at you with another Amazon wig review. This time a company sent me this wig. You know I can't pick out a wig to save my damn life. As we all know with my Amazon wig fail review video, if you guys have not checked that out, I will make sure to link that there. Yeah, that was a bit of a mess. But like I said, this company sent me this wig to review, and so I figured I would go ahead and show you guys what it looks like, and then maybe try to revamp it a little bit. Hopefully I can revamp it a little bit. Okay, so let me give you a little bit of the specs on the wig before I show it to you guys. So this is an ATZ hair wig. It is an Amazon company. They were gracious enough to send me this wig to review for you guys. This is a 10-inch human hair, Remy human hair wig. It has basically a lace closure. It's very, very thick, so the density on that is 150%. Okay, so it says that this hair is virgin hair, so you can bleach it, you can fry it, you can, curl it, whatever you want to do with it, and it should be fine. So let me go ahead and grab the wig out so you guys can see. I will also pop a picture that is on the actual Amazon website for you guys to see what it looks like. And while you guys are looking at that, I'll pull this wig out. So it came in this little bag here. As you can see, it came with the wig cap, out the little goodies inside before we pull out the actual wig. So like I said, just a little regular wig cap, which is good because if you're like me, you're new to wigs, you don't have a lot of these laying around, so that's always helpful to get one in there. And then just some little, I don't know, some little packet. Now, okay, so this sort of had me laughing. This is a picture of a wig, but it says, Nature Afro Natural Hair Texture, puffy and lightly. 1 or 2 package fluffy hair can bring you perfect dreamy style. So here we are with this broken English stuff. You guys make so much fun of me reading these cards, but I just wanted to show you this picture of what they feel is Afro natural hair texture. Can y'all see that? So that's not Afro natural texture, but anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and put that card aside and just leave it at that. Okay, so now I'm gonna pull out the wig. Comes in this little, packaging that has the company logo on there. I don't know if you guys can see that because it's blue. And yeah, so I'm gonna pull out the little wig. Of course, it all comes in these nets, which is good because then you can turn around and store them in the net, keep them from getting all tangled. And so this is what the wig looks like. As you can see, it has just this little bit of lace up here in the front. Hope you guys can see that. So that gives you enough room, I guess, to move the part around. This has a center part, and I'm telling you, I look ridiculous with center parts. I threw this wig on the other night, and I look like Dora the Explorer. But there is enough lace, like I said, on here that allows me to move that part over a little bit so that we can sort of have a side part like I have now. Yeah, so it's not super long. As you can see, it's like a bob cut, and it's pretty thick. Yeah, the hair is nice and soft. So definitely feel like that is a really nice wig for what you're paying, especially it being a human hair wig. There are combs on either side. Let me turn it this way so you guys can see. So this is the top where the part is. There's combs there. There's a comb in the back, on the very back there. It also has a little strap on the very back too, so that you can tighten it up if you feel like you need to. I'm telling you, like I said, I put this on the other night, and it is not really big head friendly. I have, I think, a pretty good sized dome, and it was pretty snug on me. So if your head's bigger than mine, yeah, good luck with that. I think when I go to vamp this up a little bit, because this has the lace frontal here, I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut that portion out. That way I'm not having to put any cover up or concealer on there because I'm pasty as hell, so is my scalp. And anything dark under there will show through, I'm sure. But if you wanted to keep that on there, it is really nice and soft. It has like a really soft band. So that should be comfortable if you're not wanting to cut any of that out. And try to give her a little bit of a curl. We're gonna try to move this part line, if I can, over to the side and yeah, then we'll see if that all works out. Y'all wish me luck, because y'all know how wigs be doing me. So let's go ahead and get started on styling her up a little bit. Okay, I'm just starting off by cutting off this little extra mesh piece that goes to the cap, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace in the front. Okay, this is what she looks like straight out the bag. Super cute. The hair is nice and thick and it's soft. The only thing I didn't like is when I put it on my big old head, it got real short. I wished it would have stayed this length when I had it on. But anyway, here I'm going to go ahead and start creating a new part by just wetting the hair down with some water and brushing it and blow drying it over in place. Okay, now I'm just going to take this Conair curling wand and help flatten that out a little bit on top. I could have took my time and did this a little bit better, but you know, I was in a rush. And now I'm going to take some little sections here and curl these away from the face, and I'm just going to do that all over the hair. So you can see this hair held these curls really well. It curled really easy, super easy to style, and I like the way it looked on the mannequin, but when I went to put it on my head, it didn't look quite the same. So I ended up cutting the bangs down a little bit here, you can see, and I created a little swoop bang, and this is what she looks like when she's on. So yeah, definitely don't feel like this wig was a fail wig. I am so happy that I actually was able to do something with this wig, and I think it's because it's just an easy wig to work with. The hair is great quality, so if you guys are new to wigs like me, I would definitely check this one out. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I will also make sure to link everything in the description box. Anyway, I'll see y'all next time.